Hi guys. So I finally have found some time to look to see what the amazing women over at Vasanti Cosmetics have sent me. So you guys ready for me to open this? My son broke into it kind of. He already ripped all the tape off of this thing. So let's see what we got here. Oh, wow. Okay, so you guys can't see that box, can you? Okay, so ooh, I love the colors. Oh my goodness. So let's have a look to see. I think I opened it upside down actually. Oh my goodness, look at all the goodies. Pop rocks, come on. I'm gonna really, oh my goodness, look at all the candies down here. Okay, let's see the, okay, so here is age is only a number, elixir face oil, and powerful serum in one. And when I spoke to these ladies, I did tell them my concerns about putting anything on my skin or in my body that is not natural. And they assured me that all their products are, there we go, natural, as well as they've never been tested on animals. So that was a real big plus for me. So I'm definitely going to be trying some of these over the next few days, and I will let you guys know. A matte crush lipstick pencil. So I'm very basic when it comes to cosmetics. I do not have time in my life to really be, I'm gonna make a mess everywhere, spending more than 5 minutes in the morning to do my makeup, because I'm just gonna go to the gym, train clients, and it's just all over the place. Ooh, I really love this color. It's a oil lip gloss. What color is it? I'll tell you guys all the colors when I actually do my makeup. I am going to be shooting a video tomorrow for my workout Wednesdays. And ooh, look at this waterline eyeliner kajal. Amazing. Let's see what else. Oh, there's a huge box here. I'm pretty sure I did open this upside down, ladies. All right, let's see what's in here now. Oh wow, I really love the design of your guys' boxes, and not to mention my favorite color. Ooh. Ooh, skin brightening stuff. This is amazing because I'm all about taking care of the skin, not trying to cover it up and mask the problem. So the number one way to do that is your diet, what you eat, what you drink, and then some really good skincare, which you should start, early in your 20s to make sure that you keep those lines away. This is a detox facial cleanser. You'll have to look at that. Excuse the screaming. My kids are just playing in the pool right now. It is hot. We are literally having a crazy heat wave. Ooh, look at this one. I think I will really like this. It's an exfoliating cleanser with papaya, aloe, microcrystals. Exfoliation is so important, especially if you're doing things like laser and hair removal. You really do need to keep working to get those hair follicles that are stuck under the skin out. Brighten Up New Skin Amplifying Moisturizer, enriched with vitamin C, aloe, which is really good for after sun care as well. Oh my goodness, I'm really grateful for you ladies for sending all this. Super powdered eye cream with a ceramic tip. I wonder. So I'm going to have to Google this, or actually there's pretty good instructions here because I have no idea what that would be used for. That's how bad I am with makeup. But if I can figure all this out and do a full face, then I'm sure all of you ladies that are pros at this can. So I'm going to put all these to the test this week, and I will tag Vasanti every time I do. They've got so many candies in here, which if I tell my kids, oh my god, they will come. Oh, there's one more thing in here. Let's see what this is. Lipstick pencil. So another, I love these. I love doing the whole lip in pencils because it literally does not come off. So there we go. There's another color for there, and a box. Do you guys want to see the kids? Hey guys! Do you remember I thought I had a box full of makeup? It's a box full of candy. It's a box full of candy. Look, like fizz, bubble gum. Ah, you guys are dripping all over me. Okay, go, go, go. Take one thing. Here, Ian, you can take those.
Yum, what are these?
Thank you.
What are these?
Whoa.
Should I have this?
You do not know what
Which
that
one?
is. Okay, you're dripping
Mom,
everywhere.
Mom, that's more than that.
Ian,
Can I have?
it's a
Here,
fizz?
Two. It's a,
No, take this.
I'm having bubble gum.
Okay, go. Go,
Wait, what
stop
else?
dripping. Oh, there's lots of stuff in here. Okay, go, you're dripping all over me. And I'm still making a video, which is anyways, ladies, thank you so much for sending all these goodies. And yeah, love you guys.